Woot, mga ka-smiley. It's been a while, no? Ilang years na yon. Ang tagal na hindi ako nakapag-bisita ng YT, but here I am, nagbabalik. And sa mga followers or subscribers na nandyan pa rin, woot, I'm back. Okay? And maraming rason. There are lots of reasons why hindi ako nakapag YT, no, ka-smiley, but sasabihin ko na lang sa mga susunod na videos. I have also prepared a lot of videos that I'm going to share with you. Marami videos ng mga students, ng videos siguro ng pagbibigay ng advice, and of course our day-to-day activities kung may mga pupuntahan kami ni Habi, ni Nats Joe, konting collab sa aming mag-asawa. Maraming salamat po sa mga nandyan pa rin hanggang sa ngayon, and I will try my very best to go and visit your channel, okay, and of course watch your videos para naman reconnect with each and every one of you, lalong-lalo na si Kene Rosa, na miss kita, mi amiga, yeah, so see you soon. So ganon, and once again, thank you very much for being there, ka-smiley. So God bless to all of you. Woot.